right, so the next stock that we're breaking down this morning is NIO, or ticker symbol NIO. I just broke down Tesla, so if you guys want to check that out, go ahead and check that out. They look very similar, you guys. They're kind of both in the same exact spot. It's kind of scary how they move with each other in that sense. But yes, so yesterday they closed down almost 4%, and today we're up almost 2% at 38.45 pre-market. So the market is going to open in about an hour, you guys. So as of right now, I'm going to just explain to everybody where these lines are, or what these lines are, what they represent real quick. I'm not going to spend too much time on them. So this top line represents our major resistance line. Before it was resistance, it was, I'm sorry. Let me just rephrase that real quick. So yes, this is resistance. So you can see we came up, we got rejected here, rejected in this area. We consolidated, ultimately got rejected in this area until we gapped up. Once worked as resistance, it will work as a floor. You can see we came up, bounced off of this level multiple times until we came underneath. We tried to create a breakout here and ultimately failed. Pushed us down all the way to our major support line. You can see this area clearly has been tested 3 times, just like how we like it. We want to be able to test these areas at least 3 times, if not more. If you can't test it 3 times, then it's not a heavily tested area. Or you can use prior price action movements farther back in time to find these areas. You just have to go to a higher time frame. All right, so as of right now, we are, like I said, is at 30.46. So that puts us down here. So we're under this support line, this minor support line. So now it's working as resistance. You can see that we have these 2 tops. So on top of that, we're in this downward trend. We're below this trend line. On the RSI, it looks like we're pulling back down, and we're not oversold just yet. Let me check the volume. The volume, we're at 209,000. We're above the 150,000 that we like to be at. As of right now, you guys, since we're in this downtrend and we don't have a clear entry, I would personally wait until we can get either above this resistance line, and that would further show that buyers are stepping up. So if we can come up, test this resistance line, let me zoom in real quick. We come up, break past the $41 level, come up and come back down and retest it as a floor. That could be a great entry. You just have your stop loss on the opposite side. I would have it maybe underneath these candlesticks. So that being at the $40, so your entry would be around the 41 and your stop loss maybe around the 40. So those are good ideal entries. If we can turn around from this downtrend and break this resistance, like I said, come up, come back down and retest this as a support. And that would further confirm that buyers are stepping up. We would eventually end up breaking that trend line at that point, and we would be in a upward trend too. So that would check off all those check boxes if we can break past this. And if we do continue this downward trend, you guys, then we'll be pulling back down to this 33.80 cent area, and that could also make a great entry. If we look to our left, this is a heavily tested area where we tend to bounce from. So if we can come back down to this level, or if we end up pulling back down to this level, this could be a good entry. Just have your stop loss below that, that being at the 32.90 or 32.21, anywhere in that area. You could always decide on where you want to put your stop loss, because it's always going to be different for everybody, because we all trade with different amounts. We also trade different types of ways, that being, you know, scalp trading, swing trading, day trading, core trading, all that good stuff, you guys. So like I said, we need further confirmation to show that buyers are stepping up. As of right now, we're in this clear downtrend, so it wouldn't be any good reason to get in into the specific stock until we have a better entry, or at least a safer entry, you guys. So I hope this video helped in any type of way. I like to make these as fast and as efficient as possible. If you can, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content every single morning for you guys. Other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.